Welcome to ITPK. If you're looking to enhance your video editing skills using YouTube built-in tools, you are in right place. Today we are diving into the world of YouTube Studio's video editor. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your editing techniques, we will guide you through the process of editing videos seamlessly with YouTube Video Editor. From trimming clips to adding music and effects, we have got you covered. So let's get started and unlock the full potential of your content with YouTube powerful editing features. So make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. Please navigate to studio.youtube.com and make sure you are logged in with your YouTube account that is associated with your channel and that have videos already. So I am using a demo account here. I don't have any video in the content. Please note that we could edit the current videos that we already have uploaded to our videos content, and also we could upload and edit the new videos in YouTube. So as my current content is empty, I'm going to upload a new video and will show you how we could edit them. Let's upload the video. I want to name it demo video demo description. Let me complete this everything quickly. So I have uploaded the video and let me make it unlisted because I want to edit this video before publishing publicly on the YouTube. So now we can see a video in our video content. So in video content, the video you want to edit, let's go to this pencil icon and click on it. This will take us to the details. On the left side, you will find the editor. Let's click on editor. Let's get started. Okay, now we are in YouTube video editor. So now in YouTube video editor, we have different option. First option, we have trim and cut. If we don't like any part of the video or if we want to remove any part of the video, we will be able to trim and cut that part from our video. The second option, we have blur. We can use this blur option to blur a face or custom blur if mistakenly our video is showing some important information like your house address or street address or a credit card number. You could go ahead and use this blur option. The next option we have here is audio. We could add audio from YouTube audio library, and we have a lot of free music here to add it to our YouTube video. The next option we have here is to add an end screen. Like when our video get completed, we could apply a template to add end screen, like add a subscription button or add a video or add a playlist option at the end of this video. The next option we have here is add info cards. Like we could add info cards on this right top of the video that will show there to promote video playlist or a channel. So now let's go by these simple options one by one. The first part we gonna use is trim the video. Let's say we don't like the first part of the video and we wanna trim some part of the video from the beginning, and we could do this like this. We have trimmed the first part of the video. Once we are okay with this trim, we could go ahead and we could preview it before finalizing. So let's go ahead and preview it. Whether you are a student, professional, or anyone who that's perfect. I like this trim and I'm okay. Let's go ahead and save this part. Once I go to save changes, YouTube is saying me that it might take a few hours for your changes to apply. During this time, viewers will still see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video, and the original version of your video will be stored so you can undo your edits. Perfect. Let's go ahead and save our trim. Now let's say if you want to trim from this part to this part of the video, then how we will do it? Let's go ahead and click on trim, and here we have new YouTube update option that we could select new cut. Once we will select new cut, we could trim this video customize part that we don't like, right? So let's go ahead and let's say I don't like this part of the video, and let's click on this coach button and I want to cut this part. Let's go ahead and save this. Again, we will get this warning. Now video will be processing. It could take few minutes to get processed completely. So YouTube Studio has cut out that specific part for me that I was supposed to edit. And the next option, quickly, I want to show you face blur and custom blur. Let's go ahead and select the custom blur. The custom blur, we want to select rectangle shape, oval shape, or track object. Track object is the perfect way to blur your object because by this way YouTube Studio Editor will automatically track the object that you wanna blur. This is the timing to apply blur to any part of the video. So you could change timing from here as well. And let's say we want to this and we want rectangle shape. Let's go ahead and do it like this. Now we are ready to save. Again, YouTube is giving us the caution and we have to wait until our edits are being processed and the video will get updated. So I think that's it about these two important options that I want to show you on the free video editing in YouTube Studio. And the next few option is about audio and screen and info cards that I have explained in the beginning of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment under this video. For more informational, to the point, and legal information and videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe ITBK. Take care. Bye.